UPS is on or off. Okay, that's good to know. Change the, you know what, I'm just going to leave this on. Change the battery, try to buy this 8 hours to ensure maximal battery power capacity. You will not be able to start the UPS using battery power. The battery is not fully charged. Alright, so we're going to plug this in. We're going to plug it in and then we'll turn it on and see what it does. Alright, ready to plug it in. So it's got a grounded 3-way plug as you might expect. So let's plug this into this 3-way extension cord. Alright, so we plugged it in. Now it says hold the power button for 1 second, I think it said. Alright, so it came on. The battery capacity is 100%. So it was charged at the factory. And we can change what we're looking at. So its input is 120 volts. We'll change the display. Output is 120 volts. 60 hertz, that's the standard in the United States. And the output is 0. We're not doing anything, we're not powering anything. And the volt VA is 0 as well. W percent, I think that's the watt hours remaining, I guess. VA remaining, 100% capacity. Estimated runtime, 190 minutes, because there's no load, so I don't know how it should be infinite. But no events have happened. And we're back to that, yeah, so. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. And like I said before, this will tilt up. So having in the garage will probably tilt it up, it'll be easier to look at. So. All right, so we get install this in the garage and we'll see how it does compared to the other. So as UPS works is that one side is on the battery and one side is just on surge protection. So we've only got one thing out here in the garage we care about running this off of. The other things like the fan, I'm not gonna have that on this. If the power goes out, big deal. So I'm just gonna plug this in. Let's see, we'll plug it in the bottom, keep it out of the way. And we can turn the printer on. Now it's running off of the UPS. So let's flip this around and you can see what the load is. So the printer's just turning on, it's not heating, so it's not going to be very much load. Let's see. Alright, so the output is 0 watts. It should be more than that, I would think. Okay, well let's try heating this up and we'll see. I'm printing PETG, so we're going to be heating it up to 237 for the extruder and 65 for the... Yeah, that should draw some power now. Okay, so now it's drawing power. Actually, it had power before. Let me stop this. I did see something over here. Now it's 0, so it's only taking maybe a very small amount. Not enough to register over here. It probably has a cutoff below 10 watts. It doesn't measure it. Turn this back on. Right, so now when it's heating actively, it's drawing 400 watts. That's what it takes to get started. Once it's running and everything's up to temperature, it only takes about 150 watts to run ongoing from there. So let's see what our runtime is. So 100% battery capacity. So 15-minute runtime. So sometime around that. So that's pretty good. I think it's at about 5 minutes. So that makes sense. So if power goes out, I have 15 minutes to do something. Right now, if the power goes off from the power company, it's usually off for a few hours because they got to go check out the circuits. That's why I got the DeltaII, because it would keep everything running. Whereas this size of a UPS doesn't have enough capacity to run this more than just a few minutes. So just like your computer. All right, so this is working fine now. So we'll want to recycle this old one, and we'll just use this from now on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is Beta Cygni signing out, and keep looking up.